delicious, it's delicious, baby. It's delicious, it's delicious, it's delicious, baby. It's delicious, baby. Hi, guys, welcome back to my cooking show. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe. Hi, guys, welcome back to my cooking show. Today I'll be showing you how to make breadfruit salad. Now these are the ingredients you're going to need. 1 roasted breadfruit, white sugar, black pepper, salt, dry parsley, dry Italian herbs, mayonnaise, sweet relish, half of an onion, red and green bell pepper, and your cranberry. Now here I have my roast breadfruit. I also have a video showing how to roast your breadfruit on the stove top. You can go ahead and check out that video. Now I'm just gonna cut my breadfruit in half. At this point, you can section your breadfruit in 4 pieces if that makes it easier for you to peel it. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and peel my breadfruit. Guys, I am not wearing a glove because I have to wash my hands continuously throughout the peeling process. That's the only way to avoid getting the black flake that's on the skin of the breadfruit from getting onto my breadfruit. You see how beautiful and clean your breadfruit is? My breadfruit is. That's because I keep washing my hands meanwhile I'm peeling my breadfruit. But you can go ahead and use a glove if that makes it easier for you. See the difference? Now I'm just gonna go ahead and finish peeling my breadfruit, and when I come back I'll be showing you how to properly wrap your breadfruit and store it. Now here I have my saran wrap. Now I'm gonna go ahead and wrap my breadfruit. I like to leave the core in my breadfruit when I'm storing it in the fridge. But now I'm just gonna wrap my breadfruit nice and tight. Then I'm gonna go ahead and place it in a Ziploc bag. It's best to put your food in a Ziploc bag when you're putting it in the refrigerator or your freezer. That way your food won't get freezer burn. Now here I'm going to show you how to cut the core from your breadfruit. Be careful with your knife, guys. Now I'm just showing you that it's hard to cut it, to core your breadfruit on the table. It's easier to core your breadfruit in your hands. Here I'm just slicing my breadfruit to chop it up for my breadfruit salad. Remember, guys, every slice make a dice. So after you slice your breadfruit, then you turn your breadfruit and dice. I'm just gonna chop these up, then I'm gonna place it in my bowl. I'm gonna give you a better view of what my chopped breadfruit looks like, and you should have something looking like this. Now I'm just gonna put it in my bowl. Here I'm just gonna use my knife and my hands to pick up the breadfruit and put it in the bowl. After doing that, now I'm just gonna go ahead and add all my ingredients, my black pepper, my salt, my dry herbs, sweet relish. Then I'm gonna combine everything together. Okay, guys, my camera had died, so you didn't get to see me combine all my ingredients, but this is what my end product looks like. Mm-mm-mm. Look at that. It's beautiful, guys, and it smells so good. Try this recipe in your kitchen and leave me a comment and let me know if you enjoy having a breadfruit salad. Okay, guys, thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.